Welcome back again to Playdays Collectibles channel from Whittier, California, and today of course is Friday. Show and tell again, guys. February the 21st, 2020. Safety first. Before I start this unboxing right here, let's check out this awesome supersized Hot Wheel with the treasure hunt logo on the hood. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. You see it? I don't know if you're able to see it, guys, but look at this car. It almost has supersized rear riders. Well, it does actually. Red lines maybe. It says Charger RT 345 Demon and Grandma's sponsored. I don't know what that is. The 345 Hemi, guys, with the TH sticker on the side, so it's a supersized treasure hunt, right? Rear riders. What more can you ask? Let's check it out. Check out the whole car, guys. That's what it says on the back. Nice decals. Look at this nice exhaust. Check it out. Ooh, that's big. Right there, look at that. I can put my finger in here. Check it out. There it is, guys. Awesome supersize treasure hunt. Well, let's do the unboxing right now. See what's in here, guys. Check it out. Let's do it. Let's do it now. See what's in here. Safety first, like always. Of course, I don't recommend doing this in front of a parking lot or a car. Never know, you might get run over. Kind of like that car that's moving out there. All right, let's see. Let's open it up. Ooh, this is nice stuff right here, guys. Look at that. That's the Chase 1979 Chevy Silverado, Mijo exclusive, 350 pieces made only, and a square body truck. And here's the regular one. Pretty cool. Let's see if I could open it. I need an assistant here. Oh, my assistant left. Anyways, let's open it up, guys. Oh, I forgot it has a screw. So even if I open it up, I can't even roll it, guys. Look at that. It's fun to unbox, and it's fun to open stuff up, you know, roll it on the floor, and make people happy. Wow, this one's a tough one. It's a bigger fish or something. Alright, come on, open up. Camera shy, guys. But like I said, safety first, you know, don't get hurt, guys, when you do this unboxing stuff like this, like me. And, you know, I'm used to doing the one-handed thing, kind of like a cowboy. I'm dedicated to opening stuff with one hand. This one has to come out, so let's do it. As long as it's safe, right? There it is, guys. Coming out, coming out. Let's open up right here more. Now it should be out right now. This is cool. There it is. Alright. Well, let's see. Let's open it up. Open the box right here. Uh-oh. Doesn't want to open up, guys. Let me try it. Let me try it, okay? Oh, wow. This thing is, well, super tight. I can't do it. But anyways, look at that beautiful paint job and nice chrome. Pretty cool. Awesome. Thank you for checking in, guys. Have a good Friday, and adios.